All right, speak on it, family. Speak on it. What up? Be like Marlon. What's up? Yeah, just like Martin. Anyway, it's the Grasshopper World. All right. Well, you know, just got through with that Monte Carlo head gasket on the Monte Carlo. Intake manifold gasket also. Now, next on chopping block now is this 95 Chevy Camaro. Complaint is tapping, making a noise. We want to know what the noise was. So I went and found out what the noise was, and found out. Thank God I was praying to find out something simple, because I just got through working on the head gasket. People, come on now, I'm tired. I need something simple to give me a little diversity in my life, just a little bit in my life. But I started on it. I'm gonna get back on it later because I got a water heater I got to go put on soon. So I'm getting ready to do that too. Cause like I said, I'm doing everything. Grasshopper World, we do everything. Like I teach my kids, got to make money any way we can. Most of the people got a 9 to 5, 8 to 4, whatever the case might be. And I got people coming to me and stuff. I wish I had more money. Oh God, I wish I had more hours. I work 16 to 20 hours a day doing me. Work on car, cut grass, carpentry, do drywall, do anything God bless your hands to do. Hands, hi hands, how y'all doing? Fine, okay. Anything, you gotta stop talking to yourself sometimes. Anything God bless my hands to do, I do it. This is me. This is what I do. You know, some people might call me a hoarder or whatever. The tools and stuff I got hoard, like I tell anybody, my stuff make money. If I'm talking right now, making money, not because I'm doing YouTube video. I'm doing this because I'm having fun. But those who know me and talk to me, I talk to them. This is what it's saying. Oh, you do that right there? Yeah. Oh, how much you charge? Oh, now we're making money because we talked about it. So I tell anybody, like I said earlier in the other video, jump. Steve Harvey said jump. Well, if it's something you like to do, do it. Jump. You do hair, do it, make money. Do what you love to do, and you always will be happy until the customer piss you off. You don't be happy, but you bounce back out from it though. I do, yeah. Anyway, my kings and my queens. Like I started kings and queens this year, but I always been doing my queens for a long time because all women deserve the title of queen. And after talking to a young queen of mine, she told me men deserve kings too. I didn't think so because we ain't all the best. I know, but I thought about it, prayed about it. She right. All of us deserve kings and queens, people. Because we king and queen of ourselves, if anything. I mean, it's like the presidents. I mean, you got Trump running and Hillary running. I mean, shoot, a lot of people are like, I don't want that one. I don't want this. I don't know. Me, God said he decide the leaders of the earth. So I'm waiting to see what God going to put up there, because it don't matter. They're going to do what they want to do regardless. Once you get to where you at, you're going to do it regardless. You know what I'm saying? Like a good relationship. You know, a man said, I marry you and so make a good husband. A woman said, well, you marry me, I'm going to make a good wife. My thing, show me the money like Cuban Goodman Jr. Show me the money. Show me now. Why I want to invest my life and invest in you to find out if you're going to be a good person. Let's test the field right now. Girlfriend, boyfriend, shacking up, what they used to call it. Let's shack up. I believe in let's shack up, because that way you know for a fact if they're going to be a husband wife material. Because after you done did a year, at least a year, you know. But before this little time, I get carried away. Whew. I love helping folks. I always said, I figured out to get the Grasshopper World, go to my name, Jeremy Britnum. My government name, it's alright though. But Grasshopper mean more anyway. Go to Jeremy Britnum, and then you find me in Grasshopper World, because I'm the only Jeremy Britnum around here in the United States. Because Britnums, there's only one set of Britnums in the United States. If you run across another one, tell my kinfolks I said hi. Because they my kinfolks. Because there's only one set of Britnums, baby. But anyway, there's only one great grasshopper. Beside the great grasshopper and Kung Fu Theater. Y'all too young to be that, but it's okay. But for my time run out, back to this 95 Camaro here. You know what I'm saying? Let's check it out. Well, yeah, can y'all see? Because I can't see. Okay. Wait, what the hell is that? Huh. Well, dang it. I guess y'all can see it. I guess. I hope you can. Oh, here to go. Right here is the culprit making noise. The lifter ain't on that spring where y'all can see it. It's off that spring, and that's what making the noise. So I'm about to loosen it up, put it on the spring, find out why it came out the spring, readjust it, and see what's going on. Cause like I said, whew, that's hard work, out of shape. Like I said, work is hard. Most YouTube shows, what they're trying to do for mechanic work, and I've been contemplating about it because my partner had got me on it. I was like, the tactics I use, you know, every mechanic uses the tactic I use. Shoot, I'm gonna show you when I get the equipment, but I'm gonna do the best I can right now. So work with me, people. Work with me, and I work with you. Help me help you. I'm here. I love all y'all the same. But for the rollout and probably posting what this water heater finna be put on. Now since I found a problem, I'm gonna holler at y'all later. It's Grasshopper over and out. Hold it steady.